Makeup gum? Aha, here it is, my new iPhone 4S with Siri. Ugh, there's so much to do. Parties to attend, movies to see, clothes to buy. Where am I going to find time to do my silly cell theater project on top of all this stuff? Well, I might as well start now, or I'll be stuck in here forever and never get to the mall. OMG, I don't understand any of this. I don't know what a cell is, much less a vesicle or a ribosome. Siri, I need help.
Yes, Lydia. How may I be of assistance?
Can you Google what a ribosome is?
1 second, please. Simply put, ribosomes are small, roughly spherical organelles, and they are made of both RNA and protein molecules. Their production begins in the nucleolus, where where DNA and the nucleolus form ribosomal RNA, and their production ends in the cytoplasm, where two subunits, a small one and a large one, come together to form a single functioning ribosome. In cells, they can be found floating freely in the cytosol or attached to the rough endoplasmic reticulum.
I think I'm starting to understand this. Next topic. Now, can you tell me about vesicles?
Surely, that's what I was made for, to help make people's lives easier. Vesicles are small, spherical, membranous sacs that are classified by their contents. Their purpose is to store, transport, and digest various materials in a cell. Oftentimes, they migrate to and merge with the plasma membrane, where they release their contents to the outside of the cell.
But I thought there was more than one type of vesicle. What about lysosomes and peroxisomes? Maybe a song will help me learn this. Siri, can you play the vesicle song from YouTube?
Surely.
Drop everything name. Lysosomes are one, and their job is to maintain the health of organisms by using digestive enzymes. They can break down proteins, phospholipids, and nucleic acids, and in livers they turn glycogen into the bloodstream's acids, glucose. Finally, they evolved from the Golgi apparatus. Two types of vesicles are easy to name. Peroxisomes are one, and job is to maintain its function to lysosomes, but with different digestive enzymes. They break down the livers and in livers they break down nucleic acids, and finally they break down alcohol and fatty acids. Wow, Siri, you really are a big help. Steve Jobs would be so proud of his invention if he was still alive.
Why, thank you, Lydia. But don't forget the processes of autophagy and autolysis, which are both carried out by lysosomes. The first is when a lysosome breaks down worn-out cell organelles to keep a cell functioning properly, and the second is when lysosomes break down whole cells to keep an organism functioning properly.
But wait, Siri, according to the textbook, there are even more types of vesicles. Can you tell me about the other ones?
Well, Lydia, you sure do have a lot of questions. Well, you see, glyoxysomes are peroxisomes that break down stored fats in plant cells in order to provide nutrients for the plant embryo. Endosomes, on the other hand, are formed when the plasma membrane engulfs material and the resulting pocket buds off to become a vesicle in the cell. Lysosomes, like mentioned in the song, then fuse with the endosomes to digest the engulfed material. Finally, contractile vacuoles dispose of excess water in a plant cell, and food vacuoles store nutrients in a plant cell.
But then how do vesicles help transport things in a cell? Can you look that up online too?
Yes, Lydia. I found this video on YouTube that shows all the steps of protein synthesis, which is a path of a protein from its creation to its export. Maybe it will help you learn.
Protein synthesis. Step 1. Proteins are assembled by ribosomes on the rough ER. Step 2. Vesicles transport proteins to the Golgi apparatus. Step 3. The Golgi modifies proteins and packages them in new vesicles. Step 4. Vesicles release proteins.
Attention all juniors project, elective registration is open for you, trimester 2 electives. At this time, Jesse Martins, please come to the main office. Jesse Martins to the main office. Juniors project registration is also open. Please check your email and the URLs are in the email for more information. Sophomore and freshman, you will register at some point next week. Thank you.
Wow, Siri, your songs and videos really helped me learn all I needed to know for my cell theater project. One last thing, Siri. How do cells communicate?
I don't know. How?
By cell phone.
Ha, 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 ha.
Okay, now that my cell theater project is done, it's time to concentrate on the more important things in life. Socializing. Time to go party.